Hi.
You looking for anything in particular?
Just whatever the heck I could find.
You got an ID that shows you're 16?
Well, I'm gonna get my mom like when I'm ready to check
Okay.
out. So yeah.
The green tags are the buy one get one free.
Okay. And I remember when those cones used to be $3 last year.
The little ones?
Yeah.
Yeah,
they went up in price.
I think it was the year before they were $3.
Yeah, because I went here last 4th of July and they had them for $3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't remember anymore, you know, between all this stuff going on, prices just keep going up. It should be the exact same as the other side. The other side just had a little bit more on that last shelf.
I think I'm gonna get 2 of those 48 shot pearls.
Okay.
And those are buy one get one free, right?
So yeah, there's 2 in there.
Okay.
So there is tax.
Yes. I think that'll be it.
A beautiful floor brownstone to this bajillion-dollar house here.
Yes, 760. We'll say 7.
Hi there.
Do I have to?
Yeah, you have to.
Sorry.
At the other stand, they didn't eat that.
That's 7.
What'd you say, Marshall? Yeah, exactly. And I'm not going to because obviously it goes south.
Thank you.
Here, take this. All right, can you have some of that?
Yes.
Grab some.
Thank you.
Have fun.
What did you just say?
Mommy, what are you doing?
That she opened it back up?